component on the motherboard. Install the processor CPU. First, open the processor socket on the motherboard. Second, place the processor according to a small arrow in the corner of the CPU and socket. Third, look back processor socket. Install RAM. First, look for RAM slot usually dim. Second, adjust the RAM to the notch on the slot. Third, press until the sound clear. Install CPU cooler. Fourth, if necessary, apply thermal paste to the CPU. Second, install the cooler according to the mounting mechanism profit. Third, connect the fan cable. Install the motherboard to the case. First, install the standoffs in the case if not already installed it. Second, carefully click to motherboard and align the screw holes. Third, secure the motherboard using the upright screw. Install the power supply unit PSU. Fourth, insert the PSU into place in the case. Second, secure the PSU screw. Third, make sure the power cable is ready to be connected to other components. Install storage hard disk. First, insert the hard disk